I fancy this questionnaire, can't take heat, stay away from the pantry and Tupperware. When I approach you on facts, don't give me the silent treatment. Feel conviction, confess, try to repent. I got my eye on defense whenever ball's in court. I'm up next like calling forth taxis at small resorts, Turo host, or that new Uber. I just go pro without vlogging, no YouTuber. I need a true cougar, give me one who could show me the ropes. I'm done trying to slowly elope, solely on hope. Win, lose, or draw, the goalie will cope. Wish I knew that back when I thought Ebola's a hoax. Had to learn the hard way, which was fruitful. I earned this parfait. Spaciously, confirmed Picard say. Cause without data we're shipwrecked, bound to hit deck. Please beam me up the guard bay. Redskin.
Yeah, they got it bumping.